Do on the basis of their vision, their manifesto, and the resources that are available to them. So it's not for me to judge my colleagues. But I believe people are trying in their different areas. They, they must be implementing their visions. And visions are different. So somebody may want to build roads, another person may want to build hospitals, somebody else may want to pay salaries and pensions. So it's not, it depends on what is important in Abia may not be important in Edo. What people in that are required may be different from what people in Jigawa require. So it depends on the people. I'm sure Abia people know what to expect. We are giving them exactly what they ask for. And we consult with them from time to time. And you know, human needs change from time to time too. So when the needs change, we also have to adjust to those needs. So we are happy that people are happy and we continue doing things that will make them happy.